Just stick it. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
My eyes are beating. My eyes.
I'm trying to get him to like coffee.
Oh, I didn't know you were recording.
You gonna do the intro?
I don't know what to say.
Listen to
Don't.
like putting you on the spot.
Just go to channel.
You're my baby.
I am.
Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy and today I have a little bit of a haul. I wanted to film this stuff because I got it today. I went to Ulta and Riley Rose and I thought I would do a little haul while my boo thing's here because he's always interested in what I'm getting. Aren't you? I know he's already seen some of these things, but that's okay. I love you.
I love you.
So I'll do the stuff I got at Riley Rose. So my brother's girlfriend and he, that didn't make sense. My brother and his girlfriend got me a Riley Rose gift card. So I treated myself to something real nice. You haven't seen this yet. So this is by Besame Cosmetics and this is the like Little Mermaid collection. And so I saw this bronzer online and they had it in store. And this is the Mermaid Lagoon Golden Sand bronzer. Oh, this is the Peter Pan, not the Little Mermaid collection, the Peter Pan collection. So this is just like the mermaids in the lagoon from that. But I just liked it for the packaging, if you want me to be honest. So I go real bougie with my mermaid bronzer. Like, look at this packaging.
Look at that.
You know how much this was? This was $35. There was no price, and then I went to the checkout and I was like, I got to get started. But it's a magnetic closure. This is plastic. I was hoping it'd be like metal. But look at the inside. Oh my goodness. Can we just... Oh, that closure. I know, baby. It's even got like a little thingy on the mirror.
It says Mermaid Lagoon.
It says Mermaid Lagoon. Yeah, I thought this was really, really pretty. And then in Riley Rose, I know they do a lot of collaborations with like YouTubers and stuff, and a lot of YouTubers' videos are inside the store. And I saw one of the girls using the Judo & Co. Velvet Sponge, and I was like, do they sell these? And so I was in checkout, and I looked over, and they had the sponges, and so I got out of the line, and I ran over to get it, and then I ran back in line, and I didn't lose my spot, thankfully. But they have the new sponge. I know Nikki Tutorials did a video, a bunch of other people have, and I wanted to buy it in person than online because you can only get this online. But I think it's only like $6, super cheap sponge. So I'll definitely have a video with this. It's a microfiber sponge. Let's do first impression feeling it. Because you know what my other sponges feel like.
Somewhat, yeah.
This one's like microfiber. Oh, that feels like, it's like a cushion. How am I supposed to get this out? It's fuzzy.
Oh, it looks fuzzy.
Feel it.
Oh.
It's fuzzy. But it's not supposed to absorb a lot of product like the regular sponge.
Yeah, like when you squeeze it, it feels kind of dense.
Yeah, but you get it wet and everything. It's really fuzzy. It's dusty.
So it looks like this just fuzz.
Yeah. And then I got some things at Ulta, and I have some more things coming from Ulta online as well. My Ulta, near his work, that Ulta be popping. I was like, these people don't even know, and the one by my house sucks. Anyway, they got the new Morphe foundations, and you guys said you wanted me to do a video about that, so that will be coming shortly, or it'll be up before this, who knows. BH Cosmetics came out with these new eyeshadow palettes. This is the Hanging in Hawaii. And what did you say to me when I showed you this?
Said you're gonna be kawaii in Hawaii.
That's smart. What does that mean? Do you know what it means?
I don't know, you told me before.
Kawaii means cute in Japanese. Not kawaii, that means scared. Scary. Or kawaii in Hawaii.
Kawaii.
Like, look at this. It's like they had a bunch of different palettes, and I liked this one the best. Another warm toned one. But that's okay. This is kind of far away. There we go. You can see the colors. But I swatched this in person, and it looked really nice. BH Cosmetics coming through. Drugstores coming through. And then I was so excited. This is sold out online. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Tatcha Primer. I love the Tatcha primer. I haven't been using it the past couple days and I've noticed a huge difference in my foundation. So I'm going to be testing this out. And then L'Oreal came out with these new lip things. I don't know if it's a gloss or what. But I got in the color Empower, which is a little bit of a lighter nude, and the color I Explore, which is just a little bit darker, but it's like a gloss. Oh, that's dark. Or maybe it's supposed to be like a stain or something. I can't remember. But they felt really nice. Like I tried one already. See, there are the two colors. What do you think? Which one do you like better? You like dark.
You know I like dark.
So because I bought those two things, I got a free gift. L'Oreal free gift. And it came with a full-size NYX liquid suede lip cream. And this one is like straight up gray. It's there on the bottom. Oh. There we go. What's this in the color? 21. 21. What is this? Oh, Brooklyn Thorn Edge. And then it came with some minis. Like, what a nice free set. Like, for real, to try all these things. A Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, a L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser, a Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Band Effect Mascara, and then the L'Oreal Luminous Primer Base, which I've heard really good things about as well. But look how tiny! Why is everything so cute when it's tiny? Am I cute because I'm tiny?
You're just extra cute anyways.
Hello, so this is part 2 of the haul. Like I said, I ordered some things online, so those came in. So I got the brand new Morphe foundation and concealer. So I'm super excited to try these out. So definitely be on the lookout for a video featuring these products. So don't worry, I'm definitely going to do that for you guys. So this was the main reason I purchased some stuff online, because I didn't think they'd be in store, but they were in store, in fact. So definitely check online to see if they have it in a store near you. The next thing I got was Essence has this new eyeshadow palette. This is the Beautiful eyeshadow palette, and I was super excited to try this out because when I was living in Germany, Essence was something that, a brand that I went for because it's really great quality for a super reasonable price. So this is a pretty neutral palette, so the names of the colors are on the back, which is really, really nice. And then it comes with just a clear cover there, a nice little mirror, and then these are the colors. I've actually tried this out once already and it was not it was not good. These are really pigmented. I have some of their loose singles, which I really, really like. I have them like in a custom palette. So this is what I got in Germany. This is the My Must Have. So this little case you can buy separately, and then you can put whatever singles you want in there. And this is what I wore every day when I was living in Germany, and I used it constantly when I was in the States as well. This is a shimmery and then 3 mattes. So I was thinking like, oh my gosh, this would be great because it's like a whole eyeshadow palette, but these colors, the blendability is really whack. So if you guys want me to do a video featuring this and trying it out again, because I tried it once off camera and it was not a fun experience at all. I got mostly drugstore stuff, like I said. So this next thing I got is this ColourPop lipstick, which I'm actually gonna put on right now because I need some lip color. I need to fix that a little bit here. So this is in the color Appy, and you can buy these in store at some Ultas as well. This is a really pretty nude color. So I'm just gonna put this on. It's definitely showing up like more orange on camera. It's definitely more of like a peachy nude. It's really, really cute, and the packaging is so adorable, and it has little stars imprinted in there. I don't know if you can see the little stars there, but they're imprinted in there as well. So this is like, I think $5 or $6 or something. And I got some new Milani stuff. I was hoping they would have the new stick foundations that Milani came out with, but they don't have those on their website just as yet. But they have their new bronzer and their new satin, matte satin liquid lipsticks. This one is in the color number 2 Luxe, and it's a really pretty like mauve color, if you can see that there. So, and it wears really, really nice. It dries matte, but it's still movable and comfortable to wear. So there's that. And then I got this contour bronzer. This is in the color number 2, Sunkissed, which is described as more of like a neutral, cool toned bronzer, which is great for like contouring. And I'm wearing that on my cheeks today, so it is a little bit more of like a bronzer-ish color, but slightly cool toned. So there's the color there, if you can see. And I also picked up a highlighter, which I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. These are the Butter highlighters from Physicians Formula. This one is in the color Pearl, which has, if you can see, a little bit of like a pink shift to it, which it doesn't look like it would have. And it's a screw top. These remind me of like the ColourPop shadows. It's kind of like that moussey texture. Can you see that? Super pretty, because I really liked the highlighters and stuff in that little Physicians Formula kit that I bought. And then I bought this little new Revlon Putty Powder Eye Beam. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a shadow on its own or not, because it doesn't swatch that well, but it's super pretty. This is in the color Fairy Vibes. It's like a red with like this greeny, browny, like duochrome, and it's so soft to the touch. Can you see? It's just really shimmery. It doesn't really swatch as anything, so I don't know if this is like an eyeshadow topper or something, but it's super, 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 super soft. So that is everything that I got from Ulta. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'll definitely be featuring these products in some videos coming up, so don't worry about that. But let me know if you guys are interested in more haul videos, because I love filming them for you guys, but I know you guys are mainly here for the foundation. So, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye!